Lawn darts, initially marketed as a family-friendly game, quickly gained notoriety due to severe injuries and even fatalities. This alarming trend prompted a ban in 1988, with authorities urging the destruction of these hazardous toys. Similarly, clackers, which surged in popularity during the late 1960s, led to serious injuries from shattering balls that could cause eye damage and fractures. As a result, the FDA issued warnings against their use, leading to their withdrawal from the market. The Easy Bake Oven presented a significant design flaw, resulting in severe burns and finger entrapments. This prompted recalls and advisories to keep it away from children under 8, underscoring the critical importance of thoughtful toy design. In a shocking revelation by today's safety standards, the Gilbert U-238 Atomic Energy Lab allowed children to handle actual radioactive materials. While intended as an educational tool about nuclear reactions, it posed grave health risks. Another concerning case was the Snacktime Cabbage Patch Kid dolls, which had a dangerous design flaw that could entangle children's hair and fingers. Reports of injuries led to a recall, highlighting the persistent need for vigilant safety measures. The Johnny Reb cannon, although it didn't lead to major reported injuries, was capable of firing projectiles at high speeds. This raised significant safety concerns about its use, prompting discussions around toy regulations. Aquats, infamously linked to health issues resembling those caused by date rape drugs, resulted in a recall of 4.2 million products. This incident illustrates the potential hazards hidden within seemingly harmless toys. The Disco Punch, a beloved toy of the 1970s, was ultimately removed from the market due to safety hazards associated with its high-speed discs, raising alarms among parents over potential eye injuries. Magnetics, while a popular construction toy, presented unforeseen dangers when swallowed, leading to severe internal injuries in children. Consequently, the Consumer Product Safety Commission took action and recalled millions of sets. In response to safety concerns, Mattel initiated a missile mail-in campaign, encouraging families to return hazardous missiles while offering a free Hot Wheels car as compensation. This effort effectively reduced dangerous toys in circulation. In 1979, Mattel redesigned toys like the Battlestar Galactica to eliminate the risk of launchable missiles, introducing safety labels to indicate choking hazards. These proactive measures aimed to significantly enhance toy safety. The water yo-yo toy, popular during the 70s and 80s, faced safety challenges due to risks such as strangulation and chemical leaks. Ultimately, these hazards led to its ban. The slip and slide, originally intended for enjoyment, resulted in serious injuries for older users, prompting a safety recall in 1993. This case serves as a reminder of the importance of age-appropriate usage. Aqualeisure's inflatable baby boats appeared safe at first glance, but faulty straps posed drowning risks. In 2001, the company recalled nearly 1 million boats due to these safety concerns. Buckyballs, once a popular toy, revealed severe health risks when swallowed, resulting in serious injuries among children. Consequently, the Consumer Product Safety Commission banned them in 2014 to protect young users. The risk of overheating and potential explosions from faulty batteries in radio-controlled planes led to serious injuries, prompting recalls by safety authorities. This highlights the essential need for rigorous safety checks in toy manufacturing. Toy crossbows, despite appearing innocuous, can launch dangerous projectiles capable of causing severe injuries, particularly to the eyes. Police actions in China reflect a growing global concern for children's safety in this regard. Yo-yo water balls, which seemed safe at first, contained flammable materials and toxic substances, leading to numerous injuries and subsequent bans in several U.S. states. This incident emphasizes the hidden dangers that can lurk in seemingly innocent toys. As we reflect upon these cases, it's clear that rigorous safety standards and vigilant design are imperative in safeguarding the well-being of children. The evolution of toy safety highlights the ongoing responsibility of manufacturers and parents alike.